How to fix Hulu app won't let you log in. Let's get started. First, ensure you are entering the correct email and password associated with your Hulu account. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it on Hulu's password reset page. Next, you can use Hulu's web browser to log into your account. Head over to any of the preferred browser. Now go ahead and type in Hulu login and then search for it. Now click on the very first one website option, hulu.com. You will be directed to the login page. Now provide your credentials and try to log into your account. Make sure you are using correct credentials. Next up, what you can do is update the Hulu app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Hulu. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Hulu app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Hulu app, click on delete app and again click on delete. Once you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Hulu and then install it. By following the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Hulu app won't let you log in. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.